Hi, I'm Yolo Queen B, and I'm doing a reading for Taurus for December 2021. Thank you for joining me today. One last shuffle. All right, some messages for Taurus. What's going on for Taurus? Taurus, December 2021. We got Three of Swords, Ten of Swords in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, the World, and Eight of Cups. Excuse me. All right. Well, Three of Swords is sadness, heavy sadness. So someone was experiencing sadness. It could be because there's a heartbreak or a three-party situation. And the Ten of Swords in reverse is someone who's hopeless and despair. I mean, they're so sad, they're hopeless and despair. It could be the Knight of Pentacles. He's the slowest moving knight. So maybe he's feeling some kind of despair and sadness due to a heartbreak. And this is the World 21, which is an ending. That means the end. Maybe the heartbreak for him was the ending of a cycle, and he's moving to calmer waters. So Taurus, your reading so far is very straightforward. There's some kind of heartbreak making you feel despair, having hopelessness. Maybe because this Knight of Pentacles, the Knight is the slowest moving knight, and he does not move until he has come up with a plan, like proper planning. He's very methodical. He doesn't take a step, and he doesn't take another step in front of the other step until everything's well executed. So I don't know, maybe someone's been very slow to come around in your life, and you're just feeling like it's a wrap. Like I said, the world's the ending. Tell me about this Three of Swords. Why is Three of Swords here for Taurus? Oh, yeah. Chariot. This is motion, moving to a new location. This is also Cancer energy. And Five of Swords is deception. So maybe you felt some deception or heartbreak from a Cancer, possibly, Taurus. And because I guess the Cancer, maybe the Cancer decided to move on, and that's just devastating to you. Clarify the Chariot. What is the moving on? Oh, they're moving towards the King of Wands. So they're moving towards the King of Wands. That's Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What's this Knight of Pentacles? Why is he so slow? Justice. Justice. Clarify the Justice, please. Clarify the Justice. Thank you. Maybe he's reminiscent of something in the past. Six of Cups is having memories of the past here. Someone's feeling nostalgic. So maybe that's the issue. He's slow because he's thinking about something in the past, which he needs to end the cycle and move forward. Clarify the World. What's the World? It's the ending, beginning. Clarify the World. Yep. Death. Clarify the World. 21 is the ending. Death is Scorpio energy, transition, and self-reliant. So Spirit is saying that he needs to be self-reliant and do this transition to end this cycle. So he can be free, Taurus, so you can be free and move forward. What's the outcome of Eight of Cups? What's the outcome of moving forward? Come on, Spirit. When you move forward, you get the Lovers, which is a new partnership in love. Or it could be maybe you're going to meet a Gemini. Wow, see? Sometimes it's hard to end cycles, especially when you're bonded to someone in a negative way, you know, especially when it comes to sexual relations, because people have incubus and succubus kind of energy, and you need to be careful. You know that maybe the sex is great with this person, but the emotion and love is not there. You know something's up. Well, it's pretty forward, Taurus. You need to have an ending to a cycle. An ending to a cycle, so you can have this beautiful outcome, right? Transition to a new partnership in love. And that's the Justice. Or maybe someone from the past is returning to this, because this also means past returning, so maybe that's what's holding up this Knight of Pentacles. The Cancer is moving towards the King of Wands. All right, let's get you an oracle card. Let's get you some hope, some sunshine. Taurus. Hope and sunshine. Right? I'm walking on sunshine. Let's see, for Taurus. What do we got for Taurus, Gaia? Give us some love messages, some hope for Taurus here. Thank you. Number 1 card. Number 1 means self, tree of life. Fertility, creativity, destiny, magical blessings. I heard that. I'm using Gaia Oracle by Carmine, Toni, Salerno. Tree of life. The magical tree depicted in this image is symbolic of your life's journey. Having matured and grown strong through the changing seasons and cycles of life, you have now reached a stage of creative abundance. Your roots firmly planted in the fertile soil of your dreams and imagination. You are now ready to fulfill your destiny. A new creative cycle begins. Come through, Spirit. Didn't I just say we have to have an ending to a cycle? Can't make this shit up. Come through, Spirit. I heard that. Your roots firmly planted in the fertile soil of your dreams and imagination. You are now ready to fulfill your destiny. A new creative cycle begins, one infused with your love and all the wisdom that you have gained through your life to date. The struggle is over. From now on, you will achieve greater results than ever before, and you will do this with grace, poise, and ease. All your past experiences, all the knowledge you have gained, and all your previous work now all come together to serve a higher and more heartfelt purpose. This is a period in which you truly are the master of your own destiny, a time where anything you would truly love to achieve or create is possible. Affirmation: I am the master of my own destiny. All I truly desire, I create. All I create through love. All I create is for the higher good of all. I'm truly blessed and grateful for all the abundance in my life. Wow, that was a beautiful card. Thank you, Taurus, for joining me. I'm Yolo Ca. Remember, you only live once, and I love you. Namaste.